Let me show you inside our fastest model yet, the Titan. If you have a need for internet speed, I've built this for you. At the back here, starting with the most important part, we have two Peplink BR2 Pro routers. These both pack two 5G circuits each, and we bond all those together to give you 4 5G circuits concurrently. And to push these Peplink BR2s to the max, there is a high gain unidirectional antenna. If you're in a remote area or you're really trying to push that high upload speed, this is the antenna that's going to get you out of trouble. Followed by two more high gain omnidirectional antennas here. These antennas are fantastic for high download speeds and upload speeds. Moving on to the finer details, we have PWM controlled cooling. So what that means is the fan will only spin as fast as it needs to, so it's not noisy. Further down here, we have our GPS tracking equipment, so we can keep an eye on where your equipment is before you get it and after. And down here, we have our 12-volt rails, which feed the various electronics that are inside here. And to round out this magnificent recipe of hardware, this is all backed by our 24/7 support team who are all Peplink certified engineers. And the good news is, even with all that tech inside, you don't need to open the case to do anything with it. We look after all that for you. Next thing is to make sure you set it up just like this, at least 4 foot up off the ground, open to the room. And the only other thing you need to do then is plug it into mains power. 110 volt normal AC outlet is all you need. It uses about 60 watts of power. So the Titan has 4 Ethernet ports, all Ethercon compatible. Here we have a WAN port and 3 LAN ports, so you can hardline directly into the unit. 1, 2, 3. If you do have another WAN source available on site, like a Starlink, you can plug that in here, and then we'll seamlessly bond 4 5G circuits and the Starlink all at the same time. And the Titan has 2 battery ports, so you can back up your backup. So if you need to gold plate your internet connection, the Titan is your best weapon in the fight against outages.